During the initial heating, some alloys undergo a one-time change in their material properties. Therefore, the heating band should be heated up beforehand to ensure optimal performance before use. The tool and heating band must be properly installed. The heating band should not touch the product or the counterplate during the burn-in process. The calibration of the heating elements is carried out through AUTOCAL to ensure that the heating elements are optimally prepared for the burn-in process. Now, we set the sealing temperature to approximately 250 degrees Celsius, which is about 50 degrees Celsius above the application-specific sealing temperature. The heating element is heated to the set temperature and held for about 1 second. The heating element must then cool down to ambient temperature. Only when the actual temperature on the controller is stable and no longer fluctuates can the final AUTOCAL be performed. The AUTOCAL is repeated to finalize the calibration of the heating element. Now, the heating elements are successfully burned in and ready for operation. But don't forget to set application-specific temperature before starting. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your designated contact person.